You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop.
And all these drugs, they be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. Hey.
All I want is money, power, respect, though.
I don't know how I'm looking. I look crazy, right? So we're going to be reviewing Big Poppa for Big Poppa defining curl, popping curl, nutritious definition for all types. And then I always use this one as well. This is the Doux Fresh to Death Wash and Go Leavein Curl Refresher, right? So this is like when you want to refresh your curls, but I use it before I use this, right? So before I do anything, I did wash my hair. I think I'm going to be having a review on the Miel, I forgot which one it was, the peppermint and rosemary, and what it did to my hair. So my hair, I am actually like trying to revive my hair again. Baby, like my hair is, it looked like my hair got perm. Like it's crazy, like that's just insane. But I'm not even gonna say anything. If I have to big chop it again, I'll big chop it again. Hopefully my hair grows back normally, but I'm not advising Miel to anybody. Like horrible. Alright, so the Argan, this is the hair argan oil from Morocco 5-in-1 leave-in spray, condition and detangles. I'm using this right here, and I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. The middle of my hair hurts so bad because I think whatever is in that Miel, it feels like my hair is burnt in the middle. Like it hurts so bad. Like I don't care what anybody said, oh that's not, yes, because I usually use the same products. So if I'm reviewing the product like this, I use this a month before I review it. I bring it on my social media. I do that with every product I use. So I had my hair in braids, and I only use Blue Magic, right? And then I deep conditioned my hair with the Miel and washed it, and my hair was on fire, like fire. All right, baby. But I'm gonna have a whole video on that. So this is the Blueberry Bliss Super Rich Moisture Fix. I just use this just to add a little bit of moisture. And at nighttime, what I do braid my hair, like sometimes like in the 2 braids like this. Sometimes I go up with it. I'm probably, oh, I should do that for a look too. Right? See, like it's like it looks like my hair is perm. Like that's so insane to me, right? Right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detangle my hair because I want my afro to be like kind of fluffy. Right? And it's so crazy. Before I got the Miel, I was gonna get Donna's recipe, and I got the Miel because I wanted to review it. Child. Alright, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just basically detangling my hair. Right? Now, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, right? And I'm gonna show you step by step. First, I'm gonna show you what I do just to get the afro with this, and then probably I'll let the music play, and then we'll follow up. Okay, so take my hair out. If you see white stuff on my face, I was doing skin, what's it called? I was doing a face mask, child. Alright, so I run it like this, and I do put a little bit of water, just a regular water bottle. Like I tell you, I am not a real natural, So I don't know the natural facts and this has parabens and I don't know. I just know what works with my hair and I do trial and error and then that's it. I've been doing hair for a long time, with my hair for a long time, so I know. Okay, so I am using the fresh Leavein curl refresher and I just spray it in. I just comb it through just so my curls can really be popping, and then I'm using the gel and I take a small size and I just run it through. I start off small and if it needs more product then I'll do more. Sometimes I use the paddle brush and sometimes I just use my fingers and that's it, and that's all. You okay, Mai? And then I'm just going to be doing that process all over my hair. Same thing. Wetting it with the water. Detangling my hair. Taking the refresher. Putting it in my hair. Just raking it through. Then I comb it through my hair. Then take a little gel. And that's it. So I'm just gonna shut up here and just continue doing that with my whole hair. Crazy. All right, so I'm gonna be picking my hair. Baby, I'm going from video to video. My light. Baby, if God does not see my hustle, especially with these horrible men that be coming around. All right. Girl, you better bless me. All right. All I'm doing is just picking the hair. And that's it.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna.